guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is another day that we'll be doing a mini cooking video, nothing too big. We'll be doing some French fried chicken, and I'll be making some fries for the kids. They want chicken and chips. They wanted to go to KFC, guys, but I decided to do some chicken and chips for them instead. So I'm gonna just make the KFC at home. So I put some powdered seasoning, about 2 teaspoons of powdered seasoning. My seasoning basically finished. It's jerk powdered seasoning. Yeah, 2 teaspoons. I'm going to grate this onion on the chicken. I'm going to grate 2 pegs of garlic. I'm going to put some pepper, hot scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to use 2 eggs, some baking powder, and this is some milk powder. This is the original white milk. The one that you put in water and you mix it out and you get the milk, yeah. So I'm going to show you how I use these things, guys. So over here in the pot, you see the garlic and the thyme is burning. The oil is ready. So I'm going to get the other stuff ready also, guys. So now I'm just getting all these things sorted out. Let me do the eggs. Okay. Put this over here. Now I also gonna add some coconut milk to the powdered milk. Not a lot, small amount. That's even too much, but it's okay. This is a tablespoon, so I'm gonna add 2 basically. Now I'm gonna mix this. I hope you can see. I'm gonna add a small amount of the powdered seasoning. Put this aside, and then we're gonna do the onion. So I'm using 1 medium-sized onion, and the amount of chicken basically is I would say 2 pounds or 3 pounds of chicken. How many pieces? It's 7 pieces, 8 pieces actually. Yes, 8 pieces of chicken, guys. So 1 medium-sized onion is good enough. And the pepper, I would usually put the pepper in the oil, but because I'm going to fry the fries, the chips, in the oil, I don't want it to be pepper, because it's for kids, kids are eating. So I'm just cutting a piece, putting it into the chicken. Guys, you don't have to grate them, you can blend them. But because I'm not using a lot of these seasoning. I don't need to use a blender when I can just use a grater. Huh? He's gone to the supermarket and so from. Hush.
Everything I tell him, Mommy, guess what I tell him? Don't wait for me.
Don't wait for you or don't wait for you or wait for you and don't leave you. Which one?
Wait for me.
Okay.
But he don't care. He just left me, and I just want to go, please, and thank you, Daddy. You're my best friend. Thank you.
You just left you?
Yeah? Mommy, tell him when he come back, tell him
hold on.
stop leaving me.
So to the chicken, I'm going to add some baking powder. And I'm going to add some baking powder to the flour also. I'm going to add some salt. Not a lot of salt, guys.
I'm going to go tidy.
Not using too much salt in it. I don't want it to be salty. Because the powder season have salt already. So let us mix this in again.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Guys, I have some flour in this plate. Why is it so high? Let me bring it down some more so you can see. Okay. So now I'm gonna put some baking powder. This is about say a teaspoon baking powder. You don't want a lot because you already put baking powder on the chicken. And also, I'm going to sprinkle some more seasoning in the flour. That's the remainder of the season. It's finished.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
Okay guys, so the next thing on the menu is some plantain. I'm going to do some French fry plantain, but let me show you guys how I do them. So I'm going to cut these plantains and peel them, and I'm going to boil them. Plantains are over here, they're boiling. I just add a small amount of salt to the pot. Okay guys, so now it's time to do the plantain. So I boil the plantain. It's still hot. I'm going to put them in the egg wash. And the egg wash already have all the seasoning and stuff, guys. Okay guys, so this is a French fry plantain. So it's French fry cooked plantain. And because the plantain was already cooked, so it didn't take long to fry.
It's so special, boy, it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.